vertical rapidon. Pero gawin niyo. Okay. Stationary, pwede more. Position. First. 1, 2, 1. Huwag buka. Kailan. Sarang gabay. Ito again. 1, 2, ikot. 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 Okay. Pag mabilis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung technique yan, kailangan pitik ng pata. Pitik. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, 1 count. 2, 1, 2. Okay. Again, slow mo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Next, 1, 1. Right, turning. 1, 2. Remember always, vulgar position. Tapos huwag ibuka ka. Kailangan masarap. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 2. Okay, big power. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, mabilis. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Kaya upward turning, then downward turning. Okay. Next, combination of upward and downward. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ano na malalabas yan? Okay na siya. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Pwede mo lalaruin. Gawin mo mga strike. Okay. Yun po yung recording ng rapid. Next. Okay. Okay, naman. Diba? So, strike mo. Balik. Target up. Balik. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, both sides, right and left. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1. Dito na po lalabas yan.